Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning about creating workspace in Power BI service. So what is Power BI service? Power BI service is a cloud-based service or software as a service which is provided from Microsoft and that supports us to use for report editing and collaboration for our teams and organizations. So this is what Power BI service. And what is Power BI workspace? So workspace is a place or folder for storing and sharing collection of dashboards, reports, semantic models. So that is called a dataset. So recently Microsoft has changed the term datasets as semantic models. So there are two types of workspaces. One is personal workspace and second is shared workspace. So personal workspace is nothing but our own folder. So it is under our control and we can have our all data assets inside our workspace. And shared workspace, it is a shared place where you can use it for sharing and collaboration with users, other users, and your even with your whole organization as well. So you can access Power BI service by navigating f.powerbi.com. Then, but you need to have either Power BI Pro license or Premium per user license for creating and managing workspaces in Power BI service. So commonly, as a Power BI data analyst, we frequently collaborate with others in shared workspaces or folders. So it's important that we understand how to create and manage these workspaces in Power BI service. So in this video, we will explore the process steps for creating a workspace inside a Power BI service and learn how to keep its contents updated as well. For collaborating with our teams and users, a Power BI service shared workspace is the perfect solution. For in this case, we need to log into Power BI service, log into your Power BI service with your credentials, and you can navigate to the left-hand sidebar to access the platform tools. And you could see at the bottom workspaces. When you click on it, you will see my personal workspaces, that is called my workspace. And once you click on your workspace, you can see these are all my data assets which is under my workspace, and I have the whole control of this whole workspace as a personal mode. So commonly, a workspace can contain reports, dashboards, and datasets. So currently, datasets are commonly called as semantic model. So recently, Microsoft has changed this naming. And from this place, you can have all of your reports and other data assets in the workspace. And for creating a shared workspace, and navigate to the workspace at the left platform tools, then click on the workspaces, and at the bottom you can see new workspace. So when you click new workspace, a dialog box will open and you can have a name and description and other information for this workspace. So currently I am planning to name this as workspace tutorial 2024. So you can have your description for a brief explanation about the workspace. So I'm adding it as a workspace created for the tutorial. So, and also you can assign a domain which it is connected. If it is connected from your organization, then you can also upload an image for this workspace. So for example, commonly a workspace is needed for specific purpose or team or a certain group. So you can have those teams image as a workspace image as well. And for now, you can also see advanced settings to assign members of this workspace and so on. But for now, we will use the same. We will use the default settings with the common information. And then let's just create and select apply. So when you click apply, your workspace will be created in Power BI service. So now it will navigate to your workspace which you have recently or newly created. So you can see our workspace name and an empty workspace which is specifically designed for or created for our requirements. and currently it does not have any content. So we are going to upload data or data assets into this workspace. So for that, I have already have my report, which I'm going to upload now. And you can navigate to the workspace menu, and you can see the upload option, and then you choose browse. Then you have your upload, click on your select your particular report and then open. Then Power BI service will upload the report into the workspace. It will take a few seconds or minutes based on the report size. And currently you can see this report has been uploaded with all the data sets. So you can see the report and data sets, that is called semantic model, and dashboard as well in this whole workspace. So now we have uploaded it. And to, for example, this is currently uploaded and what we have already performed in Power BI desktop or even in the Power BI service. So then now you can see the report on my Power BI desktop. So currently you can click on view this report in Power BI service. So this is the particular report which I have prepared with the sample data or testing data. Currently you can see 4 visualizations with the title and also with the complete pinned visuals into the report. So we do have all the visuals now. And you can click on the workspace again to go back to the workspace in the left menu. Now this report has been uploaded, but for the future use, when you try to update this report in your Power BI desktop version, then you have to re-upload this report again. So for example, for testing purpose, I'm navigating to my desktop Power BI application. In this case, this is the report we have uploaded into Power BI service. Currently, you can see this first visual order total by product color. I'm going to change some modification or make the modification here in desktop. I'm going to sort this visual into ascending order. So you would see now it is in ascending order. However, in our Power BI, you can see it is in descending order. So the visual is represented in descending order. So when I try to change this in desktop, when I finish the changes, I would save the report and publish and click on publish on the Power BI desktop. Now Power BI will show you the workspaces which is connected with your account, and you need to always sign in with your account in Power BI desktop with your Power BI service account. So then it will open all of your workspaces in Power BI desktop. So for example, now we have created a new workspace that is called Workspace Tutorial 2024. Now I'm selecting this workspace. When you click select, then it will ask you for replace, and then when you click on the replace button, then it will completely replace on this on this Power BI desktop and upload it to the workspace as well. So currently you can click on the workspaces and then select your workspace. And for example, now when you try to click the same report, now you can see this first visual has been sorted in ascending order. So previously it was defined in descending order. So the latest update has been published. So this is one way of updating the data. Or else we can also use common way, that is you can re-upload the same way the report has been uploaded before. So you can click on upload, browse, and select the modified report, and then it will again ask for replace, and then when you click it on replace, it will replace the data. Now you can see the latest report in this workspace. So you can see this is done in ascending order. So commonly you can do or upload or update the data in two places, either in Power BI desktop or also in Power BI service. And also you can use this feature very effectively, and then it will also save your time in a whole manner as well. And now you should be familiar in creating workspaces in Power BI service and how to update its contents as well. So by knowing this, to build and manage shared workspaces in Power BI service, we can effectively work with our teams to store and manage data assets and generate insights as a data analyst. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. See you in the next video, friends. Love you.